Jump Out TV production viewers and subscribers back with a hot new video. Another one. People, in today's video, we want to talk about Squash6ixboss. Big breeze up in a them town, them boy they have to pay dues. Also, we want to talk about Squash6ixboss mother, Shelly. Also, we want to talk about popular YouTuber on the spot media. People on the spot media, this expose Shelly in the wickedest way. On the spot media style Shelly come out and disrespect on the spot media. You know say Shelly mouth out of order. You know say Shelly no have no filter. But on the spot media say him now go for Shelly level. On the spot media run out and deal with Shelly pan an intelligent, articulate way. On the spot media expose say Shelly sick. On the spot media and make people know say Shelly have a checkup in a Kingston every month where she got a cardiologist go get her checkup. On the spot media and make people know say Shelly is very ill. On the spot media make people know say Shelly is a internet junkie. And Shelly love TikTok. Shelly love the internet. Shelly cannot do without the internet. On the spot media and make people know say Shelly life sad. And Shelly is a miserable old woman. On the spot media make people know what go on in a Shelly life and make the people know say Shelly power with peer criminal. Every time Shelly I go check up, Shelly have a whole bunch of 87 a par with her. On the spot media make Shelly know say if him on the spot media know that mean to say the feds them know what go on. And the spot media say her crazy information, but him a wait pan the feds. Him a wait for the feds them do them work because investigation a go on. It look like say the feds them are pre-Shelly in the wickedest way. People, all of this are just allegation. All of this is the views of On The Spot Media and not Jump Out TV production. We just regurgitate everything where On The Spot Media have to say about Shelly. People, On The Spot Media also expose say the feds them know say back in the day Shelly hide a tool in her grandchild school backpack. On the spot media and make Shelly know say the feds them know what go on. On the spot media make Shelly know say the time where you out here cuss and a disrespect on the spot media you done humble, lay low because the feds them are prayer and the feds them can run in for Shelly at any given time. On the spot media and making people know say Shelly invested in a crime. I hear Shelly out here apart a crime and Shelly no have nothing for sure for all of the criminal activities them where she involved in her. Shelly is a mother of 6 on the spot media and making people know say at the end of the day Shelly womb curse and Shelly have 6 bikini who were not dead, dark prison, who were not get dirt, end up behind bars. A one youth out there try make it and I try humble himself and lay low and a Bobby 6. That a Squash6ixboss look a brother. On the spot media make people know say him there in a Uncle Sam place Uncle Donald Trump place, but him illegal cause him come through the border. So him have to humble himself, him have to build, because him no want find himself back at Jamaica. And this part media say anyhow Bobby Six end up back at Jamaica. It's not a good look for him, because the enemy of him brother Squash6ixboss I go pre him. Everybody will hate Squash and can't read Squash, I go step to Bobby Six. So if Bobby Six end up back at Jamaica, him life I go there in a danger. So that's why him a try avoid the friggery. That's why him a lay low. That's why him a avoid everything we are going with him father. We end up in a ICE custody, and him brother Squash6ixboss we get 27 months behind bar. Bobby Six a lay low because him no want ICE running, and him no want get caught up with the feds them, and him no want get deport and end up back at Jamaica. But on this part, media say Shelly out here talk. Somebody need to take away Shelly phone. Somebody need to hide Shelly phone, because Shelly always a run out and a this up people wrong and strong. When him not disrespect on this part media, him a disrespect Sir P. Remember Shelly come out in a video and say on this part media she wish in car would have crash. Shelly a wish on this part media fi dead in a car accident. Shelly also a say it look like say on this part media hate Squash because Squash didn't get 15 years behind bars. Shelly a say on this part media hate Squash because Squash used to sleep with on this part media wife, which we are say that no make no sense, because if you are asleep with on this part media wife, that mean to say you are gonna know on this part media and Sir P a man them we hide them identity. People don't know who them be. People just hear a voice. I know anybody are gonna know who on this part media is. And if Squash6ixboss them did know who is on this part media, them would have released it to the criminal world already. Them would have released it on the internet. So what Shelly has said, this so no make no sense. But on this part media say him have crazy information, crazy intel. You know Jamaican people no trust police. You know say the police them in a Jamaica and the bad man them a work together. So if anything go down in a the Garrison and the people them reach out to the police, by the time them file a report or a complaint, the Dan, the bad man, the 87 in the community are gonna know what go on. The police them are gonna call them that are the dirty corrupt one them, when enough of them are gangster in a clean clothes, we link with enough bad man and make them money, and that's enough of them get pay off and make a bad man them know say, you don't know who can snitch by you, such and such, just give we info, such and such, make we know what go on. So the people them don't know what go on already. So the people them can't go to the police, them can't go to the news network, them can't go to the radio station. So enough of them people fear for them life and have to reach out to enough of the bloggers them. Enough of the bloggers them like Popeye, Sir P and this part media, I get info from the people them in the Garrison. I get info from the people them in the street. Enough of the things them will happen in the street. If you notice in a compound TV no get them info there. Enough of the case them want to see solve. Or even YouTubers like Sir P and this part media them put enough of the info them out there. Enough of the time them want the bad man them first. Them want the 87 them and tell them say, Bill, low this, low that. We know no involve in a certain things. Take on yourself, humble on yourself. The feds them know what go on. Enough of the time even before police slap with enough 87. The man them on YouTube and make them know, say, yo, we know what go on. Bill, humble on yourself. Take on yourself from bad company, but them no listen. Some mothers like Shelly them come out here and I say, on the spot media them I set up enough youth life. But enough of the youth them name where them call, enough of them involved in a crime and violence. Enough youth out here walk the good road, I go school, I go work, avoid crime and violence. We no hear them name a call. Enough time once your name call upon tool, or your name call upon broom, or your name call upon certain things, it's probably because you link with somebody, you roll with somebody, you associate with people were involved in a crime or violence. Where them always I tell we say, show we your friends and we tell you who you are. So enough of them youth out here no innocent. Enough of them find themselves in a certain situation or roll with certain people in a the wrong place at the wrong time. So on the spot media say Shelly always a run out and a disrespect people. On the spot media say him now go past Shelly level. He will never stoop to Shelly level. On the spot media make Shelly know say anything where you tell on the spot media him hear it before other people tell him that no fears him. The man a make Shelly know say him no have thin skin. Him a make Shelly know say it's just a matter of time. The criminal elements them where you have as protection, where you find yourself a doctor and you have to have criminal with you. You have to have 87 with you. That mean to say you live a life of crime. Cause if a doctor check up you go and you have to find yourself a role with criminal, that mean to say you live a life of crime. If you can't just go a doctor on a simple checkup, that mean to say you live a life of crime, or your kids them live a life of crime. So Shelly, on the spot media make you know say, if you have to go a doctor and bad man have to follow you, that mean to say you or your kids them involved in a certain dirty lifestyle. So if bad man are pre-Shelly, 87 are pre-Shelly, and police are pre-Shelly, that mean to say the water dirty. And enough of the time, all the time, as a matter of fact, once the head of the stream dirty, the rest of the water go dirty. At that on the spot media, I tell Shelly. On the spot media even expose a Squash6ixboss no like Shelly. On the spot media say none of Shelly picking them no like Shelly allegedly. On the spot media make people know say Shelly curse and a Shelly are the ringleader. The kids them, Squash6ixboss, Bobby 6 and everybody, the 6 kids them just born in our life a crime. Them just have appearance where the toxic, where Sir P would call them kerosene, where love bad man, where love the badness, where find themselves in a certain crime or violence. So on the spot media know make people them know say the kids them just born in a frig up lifestyle and them become a product of the environment because their mother allegedly love bad man, date bad man, breed for bad man, and that's why the youth them come toxic because of peer badness them surround them. But on this part media make people them know say Squash and Shelly never good before Squash go prison. On this part media says Squash6ixboss find himself in a problem, send Shelly some money fi actually deal with some gathering. The man realize say feds are preem, bad man are preem. Him need fi guard up. Him need fi stay protected. He need some obia. He need some protection. So him send Shelly money allegedly fi get some gathering. Shelly allegedly use the money and buy wig, buy clothes, live the most big life in a Airbnb. And Squash find out what go on after he no get to ring them. So Squash cut off Shelly. And the spot media words I say Squash6ixboss and make somebody know say him done with Shelly. Him no want have nothing to do with Shelly. Him and Shelly no good. But on the spot media say now release certain things because investigation are gone. So on the spot media say Shelly out here behave like him and him kids them loving and love them one another. But Squash6ixboss did a pre him own a mother because him never get a ring. You know how enough of them dancehall artists are set up. Them have to guard up. Them love them gathering. Them no step without them gathering. Them believe in a obia. Them believe in a voodoo. voodoo. Them believe in a science and black magic. So once the ring start burn them know when fi take away themselves. None of them even get caught up and feel away because them not have them gathering. That's why you always hear dancehall artists that say once them take up the broom, once them take up the tool, them have to put on them gathering. Them now left them yard without them gathering. Them pay for them protection. So at the end of the day, if Squash6ixboss didn't get the gathering, if his mother used the money for Airbnb and wig and clothes and hype lifestyle, that mean to say she no care what happened to the youth, because I know the youth believe in a gathering, and him know the youth out there in the street, grimy, paranoid. Him know the youth are gonna need him gathering. So the youth now gonna feel safe without him gathering. And if you as a mother will love your son, you're gonna make sure same son get him gathering, even if I just that him believe in her, and that I feel him satisfaction and comfort and peace of mind. If you did rate your youth, you're gonna make sure you say the youth get him gathering. So on this part, media make it people them know say the real gangster yasso a Shelly, the real leader a Shelly, because Shelly know the badness, been around the badness, and Shelly sleep with enough top man, we are bad man, gangster, known 87. All of this is all allegedly. All of this is not the views of Jump Out TV production, but the views of On The Spot Media, and we just regurgitate Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.